Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Surface Go along with the type cover and the Alcantara finish. And as you can see, this is the gray colored one. The Surface Go that I went for is the high spec one, the 8GB of RAM along with the 128GB SSD. Why did I go for this one? It's because the lower spec one comes with 64GB eMMC storage, which is a slower variant of the two, and also having the 4GB of RAM is not very advisable. Now let's open up the box and let's see what's inside of it.
Hi there. I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon to